Hi all, my name is Silky and I will show you my new action. It's a pattern maker and I hope you like it because I use it for a long time and I enjoy it very much because it's very handy, very quickly and very easy. But you have to respect some rules. The most important part of this action is that you have first open the template, and for for Photoshop elements users, it's the best you open the template and you will have this here. The same will happen with the Photoshop users because they will play part 1 and they will obtain the same place, the same file like this here that you can see here. And I have a brush here. Okay. And you have to respect the rules here. You cannot change or add layer, change the order of this layer. These layers are very important to stay as they are. So if you want to use only one element, okay. But if you want to use one or more elements, stamps, anything else, you have to keep them together in one layer, okay? This here is the big layer. They will be sized to the circle size here. You cannot go out of the size. Choose the color, take a brush, and brush here in this place. Okay, you can add as you wish another elements, size them down to fit the circle, and choose the color. And remember, you are working here on the bigger one, so you can close the eyes of close the layers and only see here what you're doing. Okay, this is for the first, the bigger one. You can add smaller elements as you wish. It's not a big problem if you go a little bit out. Okay. Smaller. And here, okay, you can, oops, this happens sometimes. This is Photoshop. So, okay, keep it here. Huh? And now we open here the smaller one, and we have only this place here to put the second detail, the second item for your pattern. Okay, let's add a leaf, put it a little bit smaller, and change the color. Okay, let's pick a light green. And let's put another one. Oh, okay. Here, I have them. Okay. My hubby is coming here. I have to advise him to not to speak loud because I am recording something. I hope he will agree. Crazy. Don't know why this is happening. Okay, let's put one and it's enough. Okay, now we play part 2, but you get the point. You don't have to touch here or change these both layers, okay? And this also not. Okay, you only have to use 2 layers, but it's very, very pretty. This here are the small items and this here are the big items. I will play. Where's my action? Here. You play now part 2. Part 1, as I said, is only for Photoshop users, and part 1 is important that Element users open the template. And Photoshop users can open the template or they can play part 1. Part 2, let's play. This is the advice for you, and here now you have the chance. This pattern here that you have, that you can see here, this is already defined as pattern in new pattern folder. Okay, you go here, you don't go here, you can add here in this new layer some details. Sometimes you want to put some splatters or something different here. No problem. You can add it here in this layer, and then you have to again define it as pattern. So you will have this pattern here without the splatters, for example, or you will have the second one, but this you have to save to define pattern. So let's go to the brush and we will catch something, a heart, and here a color. Let's do the blue one. Okay, it's only a sample for you, it's nothing important to be. Let's rotate it to have life and to keep it interesting and not so repeatedly in the same position. Okay, and this is okay. I will leave it so, and we now have to do what I said. You have to go to Edit, Define Pattern. This is the second one, okay? The first one was without the hertz. And I say okay. And now we can close or we can keep it. Maybe you want to change or to save it. And this here also we can, this here. And now we go to the part 3 of the action. Hey, sorry for my English, I'm Brazilian, I'm from Brazil. And I speak Portuguese fluently, I speak German fluently, and I'm learning pretty much my English, improving, it's getting better with digital scrapbooking. I love to work with digital scrapbooking and to speak English. I have very few opportunity to use my English to speak. I can read and I can write very good, but the pronounce is not exactly what you expect, but I am trying to get better, okay? This is part 3 of the action. And here I now go and play. Okay, this is our action, our please notice that here on part 3 you will have the normal pattern that you just did, but we want to change it, so we close the actions, go back here to pattern overlay, and we choose our pattern with the hertz that we added, okay? But here you will have everything, and it's important for you to keep it clean, okay? You, from time to time, you have to go there and delete them, not to overload your computer. We can also change a little bit the size. No? We can put it to 66 or 55, 55. I like it. So, okay. And now I say okay. And our pretty pattern is ready. In a few minutes, very, very, very quick. I hope you like it. I hope you follow it. And I hope you let me know what you do and if it's okay. When you have something uh, to say about this, please write me. I'm here to hear you and I'm here to help you. Have a great day. Happy, happy day. Bye bye. My name is Silky. Yes, Silky. It's a German name. My mother chose this name from a Nordic book, and it's not easy for Brazilian to speak my name, to spell my name, but it's also difficult maybe for American. But it's Silky. Okay? Well, have a nice day. Bye bye.